Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the ASD Physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So student, in this video we are going to solve the questions from the NEET exam and JEE exam point of view, okay? And in this video we are going to solve the questions from vector addition, maybe triangle law, maybe parallelogram law, or maybe angle concept. All these basic things we are going to cover with the help of these questions, okay students? So let's start the video. So here you can see very well. The first question is NEET 2016 question, very easy question. See, if the magnitude of sum of two vectors is equal to the magnitude of difference of the two vectors, then they are asking the angle between these vectors how much. Even this question came nearly 2 or 3 times in exam, okay? So we'll write here, let two vectors are vector A and vector B. Okay, so first thing, see what is the magnitude of sum of two vectors. That means what is the meaning of magnitude of sum of the two vectors? First we will write here sum of the two vectors. That means vector A plus vector B. Magnitude means we have to put in a mod is equal to magnitude of difference of the two vectors. So first I will write here the difference. That means vector A minus vector B. They are telling magnitude. That means again we'll put here the mod sign here. Okay, so now our statement is ready to solve the question. Now what I will do here, after writing this both the sides, I will square here. So both the sides I have done the square here. So you know very well mod A plus B whole square means yes, magnitude we should know. For vector addition, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Okay, and what are the things will cancel out? Let's see here. A square cancel, B square cancel here, okay? That means we can write here this 2AB cos theta and this minus 2AB cos theta, I will take this side. So it will come here, 4AB cos theta is equal to 0. You know very well this 4AB cannot be 0. That means what will happen that here, as 4AB cannot be 0, that means this cos theta should be 0. So when cos theta is 0, what will happen that here, this theta will be how much here? 90 degree here. 90 degree. Now, so correct option is what? The correct option is here. Option D is the answer. Okay. Even if I write all these things here in a graphical form, see here, this is vector A, na? And for example, let's take here this is vector B here. This is vector B, and how much answer came? 90 degree here, na? So see, this is 90 degree here. So what this is called here? This is called vector A plus B. Okay. Similarly, if I draw here minus vector B in which direction? Downward direction, and this one here. This vector will be called here vector A minus vector B. So you can see very well when the angle between vector A and vector B 90 degree, then what will happen that here? The length will be same. That means for example, if this is OA and let's take for example this is C. So according to the question what was there, OA is equal to OC. Okay, graphical form also we have seen that here. When this length of OA and OC is equal, this is only possible when the angle between vector A and vector B how much? 90 degree here. Okay students, so I hope so this question is very clear to you. Great. Next one, see here. Now very easy here. Now, see, NEET 2001 question is there. What is the question? Mod A plus B is equal to mod A plus mod B. Then angle between A and B will be how much here? Okay, so as it is given here, see, as a mod A plus B is equal to what is given? Mod A plus mod B. Okay, or even we can see from this point of view also. Let's take a resultant R equal to A plus B. Okay, so resultant R equal to A plus B, you know very well this used to be the maximum. I have taught you very well, and this is possible in a which situation? When theta equal to 0 degree here. Now you know the standard formula. What is the formula? R equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So you know very well what will happen that when theta equal to 0 degree, then only what will happen that here mod A plus B is equal to mod A plus mod B. Okay, mod A plus mod B. Even if I tell you something extra, let's take like this here. If they told that here, for example this one here, mod A plus B is equal to, they told mod A minus mod B. If in case they told this, then can you guess what can be the answer here? Again I am writing here. Let's take for example now resultant is R1. Magnitude is equal to A minus B. Okay. this is there when this is minimum, okay, and this is possible when theta should be how much here? This theta should be 180 degree, because cos 180 how much here? -1, and it will make the formula of square root of a minus b whole square, okay. So here what will happen that here theta equal to 180 degree, okay. So if they are asking mod a plus b equal to mod a plus mod b, theta is 0 degree. If they are asking mod a plus b equal to mod a minus mod b, theta how much here? 180 degree here, okay, great. Now students, let's see here, NEET 2010 question. What is the question here? How many vectors are there? 6 vectors. So see here, 6 vectors, vector a through vector f have the magnitudes and directions indicated in the figure. Now these vectors are given here. Which of the following statement is true here? So here 4 options are there. So what we have to do? By the triangle law or parallelogram, we will draw the diagram, and what will happen that here our diagram, the way we are drawing here, it should match with the given condition here. Okay, so see first one here, b plus c equal to f. This one we are going to see first one, b plus c equal to f. So see here please, this is b, this is c. So see here, this b I will draw here, b is downward here, b and c in this direction here. Okay, both in same order. Then what is there? F. Now triangle law of vector addition, b and c in same order, f. So you can see here, according to the option A, f should be in this direction, but f in which direction? This direction. That means you can see this f and this f is not matching. That means this option is wrong here. Okay. Next one is students, if I draw here b here, what is given here? This option A is wrong. Now b, d plus c equal to f. Again you draw here d. This is the d here. I will draw here the d. This is d. After that is c. Where is the c? C in this direction here. Okay. So this c here. Now what will happen that here? This f. Again you can see this f and this f both are not matching. That means anyhow this option is also wrong. Okay, great. Now students, let's move for the c here. D plus e equal to f. Okay, so where is the d here? This is the d here. Okay, so see here, I have drawn here. This is d. Okay, now e in this direction here. This is e, and now after that here, I think mistake happened. See, head tail method we are doing now. So see here, this I will draw here e. Now from the head of vector g, I am drawing the tail of vector here. So this is d, this is e. Now this is f here. So now you can see very well this f and this f is matching. That means correct option is what? The correct option is here option C. Now in your home task, you can kindly check this one, and definitely when you will check this option D will also come wrong. Okay students, great. So now we have solved how many questions? We have solved the 3 questions. Now we are just doing the very basic things, the graphical way we are doing. What we are doing? Graphical way we are learning here. Now see here, for NEET and JEE point of view, this one, let's say here, a particle is moving in a circle of radius r having center O with a constant speed v. That means which kind of motion? Uniform circular motion is there. The magnitude of change in velocity in moving from A to B, how much is there? Okay, so here you have to remember that one thing here. Now first thing, if I talk about here magnitude of the velocity, so velocity at point A and velocity at point B, what is there? The magnitude is same. So mod A mod B is equal to how much v? Here v, here v. Can you see very well what is the angle between A and B? Angle between VA and VB here, is it? So when you will check out very well here, this angle between VA and VB will be how much here? 60 degree. Here you have to remember that one theorem. You can see here the angle between OA and OB how much is? 60 degree. Now you see this velocity v is perpendicular to OA and this velocity v in tangential direction perpendicular to OB. Okay, so what will happen that here, as v is perpendicular to OA and this v is perpendicular to OB. Now both these velocities are perpendicular, so if angle between OA and OB is 60 degree, then angle between velocities VA and VB both are perpendicular to OA and OB respectively. That is also how much? 60 degree here. Okay, this is a very important that used to be used in a questions and all that. Now what will happen that here, the magnitude of change in velocity mod VB minus VA is equal to, as the magnitude is same, directly we can use the formula here, 2v sine theta by 2. If we are doing the addition like mod VB plus mod VA, magnitude wise both are equal, so that time it will be 2v cos theta by 2. But what we are doing? We are doing the difference, that means 2v sine theta by 2. Okay, now what will happen that here, 2v sine Theta how much here? 60. So 60 by 2 how much is? 60 by 2 is the 30. Sin 30 value how much here? 1 by 2. Okay, let me write here. So 2V into how much coming? 1 by 2 here. So what will happen? This 2 and this 2 cancel. So what is coming here? V. That means magnitude of change in velocity will be also how much here? D here. Okay, very easily. And the concept I have told you to get the angle between the vectors, very, very important. Okay, great. Next one, that is also for the NEET and JEE important, even for the board exam also. The resultant of two forces 3P and 2P is R. Okay, now after that, if the first force is doubled, then the resultant is also doubled. Okay, the angle between these two forces how much here? Okay, so anyhow, let's take this is force F1 and this is how much force F2 here. Formula you know very well here. Na? First I will write here the formula here so that we should not mix up. R square equal to, this is a basic formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay, now what will happen that here according to condition 1. Now, according to condition 1. What they're telling that here, the forces are 3P and 2P and resultant is how much R. So I can write as here, R square equal to first one 3P. No? So 3P square plus 2P square plus 2 into 3P into 2P into cos theta. Now let's simplify this here. What this will become here? R square equal to, this will become 9P square plus 4P square. So 9 plus 4 is 13P square plus here how much? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. So 12P square cos theta. Okay, this one we have got equation 1 here. Okay, now after that what will happen that here again condition 2. Condition 2. Again let's see here. What they are telling that here, if the first force is doubled, that means what is happening that here later, this 3P is going to become 6P. So when this 3P will become 6P, what will happen that here? This R will become here 2R. Okay, when this 3P will become 6P, R will become 2R. So what will happen that here now? 2R whole square will become what? 4R square is equal to here how much here? 6P square plus 2P square plus 2 into 6P into 2P. Okay, same angle, nothing is mentioned. So now again we'll simplify this. What this will come here? 4R square is equal to here how much here? 36P square and here how much here? 4P square. So it will come here 40P square plus here how much? See, 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So 24P square into cos theta. What is this? This is option 2. So from condition 1, we have got option 1. From condition 2, we have got option 2. Now what we are going to do? We have to solve these two equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. Here R square is there, R square is there. Now we can eliminate it there. So what I am going to do here? I am just going to multiply this equation with 4. I am going to eliminate the R square. So when I will multiply with 4, what will happen that in equation 1 here? This 4R square is equal to 13 into 4, 52P square plus again this 4 into 12, 48P square cos theta. Now this one we have got from equation 1, we have multiplied with 4. Then again now we'll write the equation, next equation 2, 4R square is equal to here how much here? 40 square plus how much here? This one? 24P square into cos theta. Now what I am going to do, I am going to subtract both this equation, minus, minus, minus here. Now you may think very well why I multiplied with the 4, because here 4R square is there now. So just to eliminate R square, I multiplied with 4. So what will happen that here? 4R square minus 4R square, 0. 52P square minus 40P square, what will come here? 12P square. Again, plus 48P square minus 24P square, what will become here? Again, plus 24P square cos theta. Now again here, this 0 equal to P square is common. So 12 plus 24 cos theta. You know very well, this P square cannot be 0. That means what will happen that here? See here please, this 12 plus 24 cos theta should be 0. Okay, that means cos theta will be what here? Think please, minus 12 by 24. How much? Minus 1 by 2. So when cos theta is coming minus 1 by 2, that means theta, what is the answer? Theta is going to be 120 degree here. Okay, so which option is correct here? The correct option is here, option B is the answer. Okay, so you can see very well in how much beautiful way we have got the answer. Okay, great. Now students, okay, anyhow, no use of this space. Next one, see, this is also important. The sum of two forces acting at a point is 16 Newton, okay. If the resultant force is 8 Newton and its direction is perpendicular to the smaller force, then the forces are how much here, okay. Here we should know very well the triangle law of vector addition here, okay. So let's here please, let, very easy, let two forces are F1 and F2, okay, and I am considering that here, what I have considered here, this F1 is smaller here, F1 less than F2, because in the question they mentioned a smaller force here. After that, what is given? Resultant force is 8 Newton here. No? Resultant force is 8 Newton. No? Let's take here. This is condition 1. And the sum of two forces, how much here? 16 Newton here. So see here. F1 plus F2, how much given here? 16 Newton here. Okay, this is mentioned first, no? Sorry, right here. This is first equation. This is second equation according to the question. And what they are telling that here, resultant direction is perpendicular to the smaller forces. That means this resultant FR is perpendicular to F1 here. Now this is the third condition. Now, so we have decoded the question. Resultant 8 Newton, sum of the forces, magnitude by 16 Newton, and FR is perpendicular to F1. Now what I will do here, as we know very well here, now see here, as. Now we know very well, what is this? This resultant is equal to how much? F1 plus F2. Okay, so let me draw here. See, this is F1. No, this is F1, and the resultant is perpendicular to F1. That means what we can write here. See, this is the resultant here. This is resultant here, FR here. Okay, and how much given here? This is given here 90 degree perpendicular is there. Okay, and see this one is there. This is F1. This is FR. Now F2 will be in which direction here? Just tell me please here. F1 plus F2, that means F1 and F2 in a same order, and FR should be in a which order? Opposite order is there. Okay, so just let me do one thing here. I think F1, F2, just one minute. Little bit we'll do the changes here. See, 1 minute. Just little bit changes. See. Now we are correct here. Now see. Now this is F2 here, and now this is FR. This is better. This is better. Now you can see very well here. The students, you can see very well. See, tail and tail is coinciding. Now you can see very well. This FR is perpendicular to F1 according to this condition. So see here, F1 and F2 in same order. How can we tell same order here? See, again, number of times I told you. See, tail, head. That means F1, F2 in same order. But this resultant here, you can see here, this is the head, tail, opposite order is there. Okay, so if I just draw here the triangle here, no? I have just drawn the triangle, only pure triangle, like this here. So see here please, this is F2, this is F1, and this is FR. Okay, so we can write here from Pythagoras theorem, what we can write here from the Pythagoras theorem, see, F1 square, no? Plus FR square is equal to F2 square. Okay, after that, see here now, see, this is F1 square plus FR, how much given in the question? 8. 8 square means 64 is equal to F2 square. F2 how much from here? What we can write here? 16 minus F1. What we can write here? 16 minus F1 whole square. Now you have got the complete equation in which form? F1 form is there. Okay, we'll simplify this more here. See, so see, F1 square plus 64 is equal to 16 minus F1 whole square formula. 16 square 256 plus F1 square minus 2ab cost, minus 2ab, na? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 into 16, how much coming here? Minus 32 F1. Correct? Na? 256 plus F1 square minus 2ab. Okay, correct only. So what will happen that here? This F1 square cancel. That means we can write here, see, this 32 F1 is equal to 256 minus 64 is there. Okay, now we can write here, see, this F1 equal to 256 minus 64, just think here. 256 minus 64, see here please. This is 6 minus 4, 2, and 25 minus 6. 25 minus 6, how much here? 92. So 192 by 32. 192 by 32, just think here. I think so. 6, it will come 6 Newton. Because 192 by 32, 6 only, because 6. Okay, correct only, 6 Newton. So F1 is coming 6 Newton. So when F1 is coming 6 Newton, then hence F2 how much? Think F2. See from here, F2 means 16 minus F1. That means 16 minus F1. So 16 minus 6, how much coming here? 10 Newton. That means one is 6 Newton. Another one, 10 Newton. That means which option is correct here? The correct option is here, option A. Okay. So in this question, we should know very basic triangle law, vector addition and angle concept. Both the things are required. Okay. Now, great. This space also not needed here. No. And now the last question is there. Angle concept here also. The last question here. Yes. Given that a plus b plus c equal to 0, out of these vectors, 2 are equal in magnitude and the magnitude of third vector is root 2 times that either of the two having the same magnitude, then the angle between how much is there? Okay, so 2 vectors are there, not 2, 3 vectors are there, a, b, c. In that 2 are equal magnitude here. So here, please, let's see. This mod a is equal to mod b here. Now, first condition. Second thing, what is there? The third vector magnitude is how much given? Root 2 times of either of the vectors. That means we can write here maybe root 2 mod a, or we can write here root 2 mod b here. Okay. So here you have to just think here the Pythagoras theorem. What I am going to do is here, please, as no diagram we are going to draw is here, please see. I am just going to draw here the only magnitude here. So here, please. This is a and this is b. Magnitude is same, no? A and b having the same magnitude. Length is same here, no? Mod a, length is same here, and here, please. This is c here. No? And what will happen that here? They told that here c is how much here? Root 2 times c is there. Okay, so here, please. Let's take for example, this a is k, b is k, and c is how much here? C, k root 2. No? Can you guess it very well? A and b having the same magnitude, and c is how much here? Root 2 times of any of the vectors. So k root 2, is it? So this is possible only when, this is possible only when it's possible, students here, please here. This is possible only when this is following the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. Now what we'll do here? We'll draw here this one here. A plus b plus c equal to 0. That means here, please see. Let's take now this is vector A. This is vector B and C. This is vector C. Now A, B and C in which order? Same order is there. Now we will just see here the angle here. See here. Now see. You know very well here. See, this is the angle. 90 degree. That means angle between A and B, how much here? 90 degree is there. And you know very well magnitude wise A and B is same. So if you see the tan means opposite by adjacent. So K by K1, tan theta is 1. That means how much here? This is 45. This is also how much? 45 here. So here, please. This is 45. This is 45. But this is not the angle. Where is the angle? For angle, what we have to do? Head tail concept is here, please. From the head of vector B, and the other one dotted line is there. See here, please. This angle. This is 45. That means this angle 135. Angle between B and C, how much here? 135. Similarly here. So here also how much angle? 135 is there. Okay. We should know angle concept, head tail method. So angle between vector A and vector B, 90 degree. B and C, how much? 135 degree. Similarly, C and A, how much here? 135 degree. That means which option is correct here? 90, 135, 135, C. The correct answer is here, option D. Okay, students, so we have solved multiple number of questions. I hope so your concepts are very clear. Keep studying.